Hi, I'm Chef Pops. Today I'll show you how I make my coriander paste. Let's get started. These are the ingredients I use for my coriander paste. This is a bunch of fresh coriander, 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. You can buy this in supermarket in baking section. This is half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice from this lemon bottle, and 4 chilies. Coriander generally grows on the ground, so when you buy in the market you might find some dirt in it. So first thing what you do is wash it. So I'll wash it and show you how it is. When you are shaking this, moving this, most of the dirt is falling down below. Now I'll take coriander from top and put it in the blender. And fill it up with water. So I have filled it half the way with water. I'll add 2 chilies in this. These are the 2 chilies I'm going to put in the mix. Now I'll put shredded coconut. This was 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, half a teaspoon of salt. I'll close it now and then we'll blend it. Blend it for about half a minute. Now I'll strain it in this bowl. Take out as much water as you can. I can smell the aroma of the coriander and it smells really good. I'll take this coriander and put it in the small bowl. Now I'll grind up the rest of the coriander. We'll use the same water for the second batch. And now we'll grind it one more time. Grind it half a minute. We'll strain it one more time. Remove all the water from here. Make it as dry as possible. Now we'll put it in the same bowl. You can now see the coriander all ground up. At this time we'll put lemon juice in it. This was 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now mix it up well. Now the salt and lemon juice, they work like preservatives. We remove all the water because if you remove the water, it will last for longer time. Now we are going to put this in a bottle. This is about half a bottle of coriander paste, and the shelf life of this in the refrigerator will be about 3 weeks. This is our finished coriander paste, ready to be used in all our recipes. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so each and every time we post a new video you are notified. If you have any comments, leave them below in the comment section. And remember to share this video with all your friends. Until next time.